Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to do an unboxing and review of this Caydo fully automatic bead spinner. Right now making bracelets, keychains, and purse charms with beads is really popular, like crazy popular. And I have actually gotten interested in doing some myself. I have a few that I've made and some that I've received. This is just a few. So many different styles that you can make. Here's one that I did for my Jeep. And here's a couple more. Now, from experience, this can be a little time consuming. And I was wondering if there was a faster way to make them. I was contacted by someone who I collabed with before with a different product. And she asked me if I would be interested in reviewing this Caydo fully automatic bead spinner. Of course I said yes, right? So enough with all the talking, let's get started. And of course I'm going to have a discount code for you all, and I'll be leaving that in the description as well, and probably on the screen too. So let's get this thing open. Okay, when you open it, you see the little leaflet that comes inside. It has a ruler right here down the side, and here's the instructions. You can also scan the QR code to see a video on how to operate it as well. So maybe we'll do that, I'm not sure. Let's see, we have to figure this one out because here it's saying you can install 3 AA batteries, or you can use the USB power cord. On the box it says you need AAA batteries. So we need to figure this out, AAA or AA. So that's something that needs to be addressed. But yeah, I'm just going to go through the instructions and then come back. Scan the QR code and go to a video, and that's how it looks. Let's just go ahead and finish the unboxing. Okay, so here we have some of the complimentary beads and string. We have the elastic string, and I think this is the cotton string. Remove that. And here's the machine. It's so tiny. We have some stuff in here as well. We have the power cord. Let's see if we need double or AAA batteries. AA. We need AA. Okay, so let's try the cord. Of course, you're going to need a block. There's a USB. Let's go ahead and plug this up. Put this on the side and turn it on. It's spinning. Now let's try it with the batteries. Have 3 AA batteries. Okay, so let's try it with the batteries. Okay, pretty good. Okay, so let's get this put back on top. And then this goes through here. We got 2 needles, so let's go ahead and pull one of these out. You have to make sure that this loop is over this little piece in the center. Okay. And then this goes on top of here. Get to our string. We have our elastic string. Oh, look, we have some letter beads. How cool is that? And these are like little donut beads. I would use these as spacers. But because this is what came with it, we're going to use these to start out, okay? And we have a cotton thread. Okay, and what they want you to do with the cotton thread is take about 8 inches of this thread. It's like a little spool of thread that comes on your sewing machine. And so now I'm going to thread it through this eye on the needle and then make a little knot. And now it says to take some of my elastic string and thread it through the thread that I just put on here. The capacity level. Okay, so I'm making sure that the needle is angled down. I just need to run through it one time to see how it works. So it's telling me to start out really slow, and that I can actually hold the back of here to help stabilize the needle as it starts to bead. So let's get started. Okay. Oh wow. And then it's saying that I can adjust the speed as it goes. Oh wow, look at that. Let me move my hand. So you go faster. And it's coming back here. Let's go this way. Look at that, isn't that cool? Oh my God, I love this so much. This is going to be perfect for my bracelet making, keychain making, and my purse charm making. Look at that. Okay, so now let's stop it. I'm gonna hold on to this and pull this down. Okay, just like that. Eden, you want to make a bracelet?
Yeah.
Let's try it again. Let's turn it back on. Again, I'm gonna hold this side. I'm just gonna pull that out. So Eden, stand up. I still need to cut the string off, so we need to grab some scissors, but yeah, this is what it looks like on Eden's arm. It's a little snug. I'll make the next one bigger for her. But yeah, look at that. Look how fast we made a bracelet. So let's make another. So I'm letting Eden, she's 9 years old, and I think that she can do this herself. So I think this would be something really nice for the kids. With summer approaching, maybe they could take this up as a hobby, a craft. And you as well. You could probably make bracelets to sell for fundraisers, extra money, carnivals, fairs. Even when kids have like a little lemonade stand, they can have like a little bracelet stand and make some extra money this summer. So yeah. So Eden, let's give this a try.
Okay.
Remember, don't let the elastic thread move.
Okay, right.
Yeah, just hold it back by the needle. Use your left hand so they can see. Yeah. And then turn it up a little bit as it goes. Oh, it's working. How does it feel knowing you're doing that? Remember, don't let the elastic come back through the thread. Yeah, pull it. Pull it towards you.
So I don't have to help with this anymore?
No, you can let that go now.
So this is my necklace that I'm about to put on. And it actually does kind of look like sweet tarts. Looks like...
So what do you have to say about the beading machine?
I like it, and I would use it a lot because it actually does it faster instead of just having the string and just put on the beads.
And finally, here are the bracelets and the necklace that we made using the Caydo automatic bead spinner. As seen in the video, it's a breeze to use and so much fun. Buy one before April 25th and you will receive 25% off. You'll find all links and codes in the description below. Thank you, Caydo, for sponsoring this video.